Hey, this is Mike from Weeby Geeks, and this is
Zoe.
And what are we doing today?
We are going to show a Wonder Woman box.
What type of box? Do you remember?
Superhero stuff.
From Superhero Stuff?
Mm-hmm.
That would be our hero box, or Zoe's hero box, from Superhero Stuff. And what box did we get?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the first item that's in here
is a glass.
Wow.
Wonder Woman glass.
It's our real glass, too. Cool. What else did we get?
A Wonder Woman book.
What type of book?
A Wonder Woman one.
Is it a journal book?
Yes. A journal. A bracelet.
It's a silicone bracelet.
A comic book.
It's the Unforgiven storyline of Wonder Woman, issue number 99. One less than 100. Price on this book was $1.75 when it came out. So cool. It's a classic title, classic issue.
A Wonder Woman plate.
Tell us about the plate.
You can put veggies in the Wonder Woman logo, and you can put the rest of your food in this area.
Awesome. What else did we get?
We got a magnet
And where are we going to put this?
on the refrigerator. Oh.
We also got, where are they? A couple buttons, right?
A button, the one that I already have, but it could also be Wonder Woman's sister. And Wonder Woman when she's going to punch someone.
Trying to get that to focus. And wait, what's a hero box without?
A superhero shirt.
So cool.
I even worn it like 6 times.
Yeah,
to
she couldn't wait to get that shirt out so she could wear it. So that's the hero box. How would you rate it? 1 to 10. What type of score would you give it?
10.
10? So you heard it from her. It's a 10. 10. 10. 10. So, links to superhero stuff below. The hero box as well. Check out weebygeeks.net. And on the sidebar, right here on the website, you'll see. Oh, right. No, other way. That way. Right here on the website, you'll see superhero stuff, hero box, which is what we just unboxed, and comic binge, which is another subscription service from Superhero Stuff. Check them out. And until next time, what do we say, Zoe?
Bye.
Want to know more?